Okay, moving on to part 2, we're talking about how to apply the quotient rule of exponents. So when you have two expressions with the same base, and in this case the expressions are divided, then you can simplify the problem or the expression by subtracting the exponents. So again, I have like bases of x's for my general rule, and I'm going to subtract the exponents. So take m minus n. So the example on the bottom says x to the 8 over x squared. And if I do 8 minus 2, then I get 6. So, oops, that looks like a typo there. That should be an x right there. Okay, so anyway, I end up with x to the 6th. Now, why this makes sense if we write it out, so when in doubt, you can write out any of these problems. If I have 8 a's in the numerator and 2 a's in the denominator, then here's what happens. If you're multiplying things in the numerator and denominator and you're not adding or subtracting anywhere, you can divide them out. So a divided by a is 1. A divided by a is 1 again, and all of a sudden all of my a's in the denominator are gone. And I have 6 a's left in the numerator. So remember, when we divide things out, we're getting 1s because a divided by a is 1. So I have a 1 in the denominator, a to the 6th in the numerator, and so I really just have a to the 6th. Okay, but I have one more example, because if you have a bigger exponent in your denominator, then what happens is when you write everything out and you start canceling here or dividing out all of these 8s, okay, then let's see, I'm crossing out 7 in the numerator and 7 in the denominator. Then I have a 1 in the numerator because I have nothing else up there that's left, and I have that 1, and then in the denominator I have 8 8s left. So I still did 15 minus 7 to get the exponent of 8, but my 8s are left in the denominator. So you have to be careful about where things end up. So at this point, you're ready to try number 2 on the quiz. So use that same game code. We're just doing number 2 on that quiz.